Hey everyone! Today I want to go over the 60's Psychedelic Collection, which is coming to the shop on March 15th. This kit was super fun to make. The colors are vibrant, the decorations are just really in line with the 60's, one love kind of movement. So I'm just going to go ahead through all of what's going to be in the release. So what we first have is big happy planner checkboxes. You can use them as checklists or you can actually use them as trackers because there are 7 spots for each checkbox. Then we have some quarter boxes in colors and in designs. These are really great for adding a pop of color to your spread. Some big happy planner washi that fit the width of a vertical box perfectly, also in designs and colors. And then we have the classic size check boxes, also with 7 spaces so you can use it as trackers. They do extend the vertical boxes slightly, so it will not be a perfect fit. But we do have these 3 size washi in colors and in designs. That pink design can't really see in the video, but there are little peace signs just repeating on the top. And then we have our date covers. This one is our box covers that have designs and some icons. And you can use these for a whole month. There are 4 weeks to each sheet, so it's nice to stock up. And then these are the borderless dates, just in plain colors. They got some monthly trackers, but you can actually use them as weekly trackers if you want to have 5 items per day. We got the actual weekly trackers. These are in colors and designs, and there are a bunch on one page, so you can use them over and over again. These last half sheets are our peace signs. The first one is just a simple black outline. And then the next 2, it's kind of hard to see on screen, but this is the neon rainbow. And then the other one is a more or I guess a darker rainbow. Again, it's hard to see on the video, but one is brighter and one is more muted. So that is the rest of the half sheet stickers. I did not record one item, which is a checklist, 3-dot and a 5-dot checklist, but it is the same size as this next product and in the same colors. But this next product is our circle dots in the vibrant colors. All right, so now going through the die cut stickers. This one was really fun to make. It reminded me of Colts. I don't know why, but it is the praise sticker. And here is a felt tip marker for size comparison. So it is pretty big. Next, we have a large peace sign. Similar to the other stickers, it just happens to be bigger, so that's fun. And then hippie at heart, which has that psychedelic trippy design that is in the rest of the collection. And then we have our groovy dude who's barefooted with the peace sign and guitar around his back. Also, for size comparison, it's a pretty nice size. And then we have 60's script in colors and bubble font. That was fun to draw. And then lastly, for the die cut stickers, we have this floral peace sign. All the flowers are in the same colors of the rest of the kit, so it goes together and it can also be used on its own. It's pretty fun. All right, so now I'm going to go through the kits that we have. All right, the first one I'm going to go through is my Pression PP Weeks B6 format. I actually already used this because I was too excited to wait. So this is an after the pen and you can see all the things I did that week. But it comes with date covers, checklist, deco boxes, a habit tracker, washi, and of course, numbers 1 through 31. Then we also have minimalist kits, which are our 1-page kits. This is the classic happy planner. It comes with a sidebar, 2 sets of washi totaling 14 strips, 2 habit trackers, a whole bunch of little stickers, a next week and a this week script. And I don't know if I said it, but date covers and numbers. So these kits are great for people who like to have a lot of space to write throughout the week. And if you have never done that before, I highly suggest at least picking up one and testing it out for yourself. They are budget friendly, so even if you end up not liking it, you can, it wasn't that much money, but if you do want more, you can use this kit and then use some of the other stickers in the collection to add more. As you can see, the Big Happy Planner sidebar and one of the washi designs is different than the classic Happy Planner. I used to do them the same, sometimes I still do them the same, but I wanted to make them slightly different. They are similar though. So if you have a big and a classic Happy Planner and you want a kit for both, you can know that they will be different. All right, lastly, we have a Big Happy Planner vertical full kit. I tried something different, and instead of using the typical spreads that come with the planners, I just used some blank sheets. So in this kit, those checklists, I actually cut them into smaller strips. I will have a YouTube video on my plan with me with this if you want to see how that was done. But typically those skinny checklists are a bit longer. There are trackers, including this weekly tracker, which I usually use for dinners. And I like the background. It's that same design as the Hippie at Heart. And then these are just the rest of the other stickers that come with the kit. Again, I try to do something different so it doesn't look like the conventional planner. But, you know, sometimes you gotta do something different. Alright, well that's it for this collection. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was a lot of fun to create and I am really excited for it to hit the shop. Yeah, so thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day. And again, if you are interested in any of these items, I'll leave a link to my shop in the description. And that's all. Alright, well have a great day everyone. Bye!